Today we're going to be opening this
shelf
right here with Daddy.
Yeah, with me.
So, are you ready to build it? Or open it and build it?
Ready. I'm going to open it up now.
So here it goes. Came very early, so yay.
It's a 3-shelf.
3 shelves.
Engineered wood.
Engineered
don't touch that.
wood.
Is that working?
Yeah. Yeah, and now we are...
Turn it.
Oh.
There you go.
Yeah. It doesn't look like wrapping paper. This type of stuff. Yeah.
It's like 83 pounds in UPS.
Very. One person holding the
that
whole
side.
thing.
Oh,
Yeah.
over here. Over here. Come down here and peel it. Okay, now pull it.
Pull.
Okay.
Alright. So.
What's
We
that
got-
we need?
Oh, what is this?
Put that over here. Let go. Let go. Don't break it. Pull it from the middle. Lift it up. Take it up. You get the ends off.
Get this end off.
I was hoping maybe it would come off the top, but looks like we're going to have to slide it out. They really packed it in good. Let me have it. Let me have it.
Another one.
Don't break this in case we got to return it.
That is again. That's a little too small. That's way too small.
Alright, well, push it down this way.
Push it.
And then slide this out. Hold it.
Wow.
You're going to have to aim it this way. So
Go.
pull.
Okay.
No.
No.
This way.
Yeah, can we push this back a little bit? There it is. There's more. Let's smash it.
Let's put this in.
What's the smell? Hi-ya. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun,
Here,
dun,
inspect
dun.
each piece.
What?
Inspect it.
Why you want me to
See if there's defects. Cracks or something like that.
dirty from this stuff. There's no crap.
Want to
And
pull this?
this. Oh, so this.
Thanks for inspecting.
Is there? I'm expecting. There's lots of dirt
Take
stuff
this.
on here.
Over there is the camera. Get in the camera.
Hi.
Go, pull it towards you.
Ah. There you go. And then just pull that.
Pull the box.
Ah! Oh, there's an instruction manual in here.
Hold it up here. Let me look. Sit.
Nothing else. That's register to get a $100 gift card. It's for you.
Just put that over there. You hold it up to the camera.
So this,
No, the camera in front.
these are the parts. These are all the parts. So much parts. This is gonna take hours and hours, guys. So stay tuned for this hour video. Yay. So, yes, we got these type of parts. I don't know what they are, but there you go. And then this is the instruction manual. 3-shelf bookcase. And then we have all the wood. And we got all this foam, even 1,000 or more gallons of this, and these pieces of wood in the box. So are you ready to build this thing that's going to take hours?
Nope.
Why?
Not ready yet. Gonna take an inventory.
Yeah. Wood. We got this bookshelf. And now we have this bookshelf.
Okay, let's start.
Does it look similar to that wood?
The color is similar. Yeah.
Very similar.
That's how it all goes together.
The 1-page book that's going to take 8.
Need a screwdriver and a hammer. Phillips.
I'll get the hammer. You get the screwdriver.
It's in the garage.
Guys, see you later when we are done. This is the shelf, Mommy. This is the shelf. It's not finished because of this thing. This thing doesn't fit in, so it's not finished. So there. So that. So that's the whole thing, Mommy. And this is the final of the bookshelf. We have made it. It took about 6 hours. That's why I said it was going to take a very long time. We nailed stuff in. We hammered stuff in. All the other stuff. This was our other shelf, but it overflowed, so we had to get this shelf. So we have to get our Legos and fill every single one in. So, that is it. That is the end. So, goodbye until Halloween maybe. So, bye.